Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing some of the technology updates. The first update. Samsung wins patent for a trifold smartphone with specialized barrier layer for improved durability. The display panel of the purported Samsung device is said to feature an anti-reflective layer on top. Realme GT 7 Pro to launch with a smaller 5800 mAh battery. Oppo Reno 13 series launch date set for November 25 and tipped to feature MediaTek Dimensity 8300 chipset. Samsung glasses will share some features with Meta's Ray-Ban glasses to launch in Q3 2025. So these are some of the technology updates, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.